Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at LEXIS and Company law firm as a junior associate. So today in this video we are going to discuss what are the laws related to child custody in India. As we have discussed earlier in our video, laws related to bail in India. So in this video we are going to discuss the laws related to child custody, how it works and what are the basically laws and rights as a citizen of India you have, right? So let's start our video without any further delay. So if you talk about its introduction, unfortunately child of custody of child arises when there is splitting of the parents in marriage, right? After the dissolution of the marriage, it is to be decided by the court that who should take the child custody. The child custody means when there is a breakup in the marriage and parents get separated from each other, the most critical question arises, and that is who should take care of the child, right? So this is the basically the basic thing to which arises after, and the answer would be, or the second question would be, to whom the child will be given. But this is decided by the court, and and a child has to go tremendous tiring legal process, right? In all the circumstances, court keeps in mind the best interest of the child, right? The first thing court in mind, the priority of the of court in such cases, of the judge, is child, not the parents basically. Then after the court decides, whoever is the court decision is whoever is the child, henceover the child should be given, right? It is held to the person given his or her child custody. It's all court's decision. Therefore, the person who take better care of the child's educational, medical, emotional, social needs is given the child's custody. The child custody is an establishment of a legal nexus or relation between the parents and the child. So that's all about its introductory part. Although I would tell you, we are not going to discuss complete discussion in this single video. We are going to make another part of this video. So go and watch that video also. So what are the laws revolving around child custody in India? There are several personal laws like Hindu law, Muslim law and Christian law related to child's custody. Child custody laws under Hindu law. What are the laws under Hindu law? So let's start our discussion. Custody of a child under Hindu law are given a Hindu marriage law, Hindu Marriage Act, Hindu Marriage Act, and Hindu Marriage Minority and Guardianship Act 1956. Under Hindu law, the custody of child is generally given to the mother of child if the child is under the age of 5 or minor, under the age of 5 year or minor child. The second thing, the child above the age of 9 years is independent to make decision or to make choice. Whomsoever he want to go, the decision will be his decision. It is not hard and fast rule, but still in existence that father gets the custody of older boys and mother gets the custody of the older girls, and it is primarily decided on the basis of the child's interest, right? So although it's all about the child's interest, if the age of the child is above 9 years or the 9 year. A mother who is said to be proven that she is avoiding or ignoring the child and mistreating the child should not be given custody, right? So this is also basically all depends upon the facts of the case. And another thing is with facts, the court also see in the trial behavior of the parents towards his or her child, that these all things matters. Upon these things the judge decides whom the custody should be given of the child, right? So now there are three classifications given when a child is born out of wedlock. The first thing is imposition. What is imposition? The custody of child changes from time to time. In this the youngster's opinion is held to be important. The second is alteration. What is alteration? It is basically in this also it changes from time to time, right? If a father is having a custody and it is a good terms and he will continue to take the child custody, then, and if the mother is taking good care of the child and it is sure that the future is going to be bright, then she will continue to take their The last is revocation. What is revocation? If the it basically means that the court can court can in between call back in its decision. For instance, right, if a father has been given the child custody, and it is further out that he is not taking good care of the child, the court is that time only revoke its decision and offer the custody to the opposite party, right? So that's all about the first part of this video. In the second part, we are going to discuss the Hindu minority and guardianship act and Muslim and Christian law about child custody in India. See you in the next video. Bye bye.